Okay, let's go over homework 3.5, number 3, right? So we want to find dy over dx from this equation, right? So first thing is I would probably rewrite this guy as quantity 3x plus y to the 1/2 power, right? Since I don't like square root. Alright, so let's take the derivative. So we want to take the derivative with respect to x, because we're looking for dy over dx, right? So take the derivative of the left-hand side, we'll get 1/2 in front, and keep the same quantity, so it's 3x plus y. Then you subtract 1 from the power, so it's going to be negative 1/2 power. Right, then you have to multiply by derivative of inside, which is 3 plus derivative of y is dy over dx. Alright, then we just need to take the derivative of the right hand side. Derivative of 2 is 0, so I'm not going to write it down. But this one, second term, is a product of two things, so I'm going to have to use the product rule. Right, derivative of the first is 2x, so 2x times second is y squared plus first is x squared times derivative of the second is 2y times dy over dx. Right, so we have that. Alright, then what we're going to do is we want to simplify a little bit, and I don't like having a 2 and a fraction, and you have this guy as a negative power. So I'm going to multiply both sides by, say, 2, so that I can get rid of this 1/2, and also square root of 3x plus y. Right, this way we're going to have, let's say, 2 and 2 cancel out, so this is a reciprocal of square root of 3x plus y, so they cancel out. So what's left on the left hand side is only 3 plus dy over dx, right? Then the right hand side is, so we're going to have to multiply all these by 2 times square root of 3x plus y. So let's do that. So 2 times 2 is 4. Right, then you have x y squared. Then you have a square root of 3x plus y. Right, then we multiply that by same thing. So you have 2 times 2 again, so it's 4. Then you have x squared y, then you have a square root of 3x plus y, then you have a dy over dx, right? Then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put all the terms with dy over dx on the left hand side. Everything else will be on the other side, right? So let's do that, right? So on the left hand side, so I'm going to collect all the terms with the dy over dx. So I'm going to factor out the dy over dx. All right, so here, so you have 1 dy over dx on the left hand side, so that's going to be 1 here, right? Then you have 4x squared y square root of 3x plus y times dy over dx. So if you put that on the other side, it becomes negative 4x squared y square root of 3x plus y, right? Then you have this guy sitting here, so I'm going to keep this on the right. So you have a 2 actually, sorry, 4 I meant. So I'm going to erase that. And the 4 xy squared square root of 3x plus y, right? Then you have a 3 on the other side, so positive 3 becomes negative 3, right? Then our last step is just divide through by quantity 1 minus 4x squared y square root of 3x plus y, right? That way we can isolate dy over dx, which is going to be 4xy squared square root of 3x plus y minus 3 all over 1 minus 4x squared y square root of 3x plus y. All right, so that's actually exactly what they get. So this is the right answer. So this is the dy over dx that we're looking for. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.